Hello viewers, how are you? I am S. Mahesh Kumar, the business head of Levera Print Solutions. We offer printers and printer consumables to our customers. Today in this video we are going to understand how to choose a perfect printer suitable for your printing needs. Choosing a right printer for our home or office is always a big task because our needs and wants varies time to time. We Levera is here to help you out. Our objective of this video will help you on how to arrive at a right printer that meet your needs. Why do we use a printer? A printer is being used to connect with a computer or to a wireless device to print the content when necessary. Desktop printers are of 4 different types and every printer has its own qualities, advantages, disadvantages pertaining to the application and purpose. A better understanding on it will make you to choose the wise one for you to print your documents. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printing, sometimes called impact matrix printing, is a computer printing process in which ink is applied to a surface using a relatively low resolution dot matrix for layout. Dot matrix printers typically use a print head that moves back and forth or in an up and down motion on the page and prints by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper, much like the print mechanism on a typewriter or line printer. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printing is a type of computer printing that recreates a digital image by propelling droplets of ink onto paper and plastic substrates. Inkjet printers are the most commonly used type of printer and range from small inexpensive consumer models to expensive professional machines. Laser printer. Laser printing is an electrostatic digital printing process. It produces high-quality text and graphics and moderate-quality photographs by repeatedly passing a laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder called a drum to define a differentially charged image. The drum then selectively collects electrically charged powder substance called toner and transfers the image to paper, which is then heated to permanently fuse the text, imagery, or both, to the paper. Inktank printer. Inktank printers each feature a print head containing thousands of tiny holes. These tiny openings drop microscopic droplets of ink onto the paper in the printer at a speed. Inkjet machines use a liquid ink produced either by a colored dye or a liquid that contains solid pigments in suspension. Here the print media inks are being stored in a chamber built in or adjacent to the printer. Let's take a piece of paper and answer these simple questions. 1. Do I print daily? 2. Do I need color or mono printer? 3. How many pages do I print in a month? 4. Apart from printing, do I scan and make copies? 5. How important that the printed documents to me or to my client? Let's answer the first topic. Do I print daily? If our answer is yes, then how many prints a day? If our answer is no, and if in case it is for your home or small office purpose, where your printing is very low and only few pages per week or month. Now you may choose inkjet printers, where the printer cost is low, but cost of consumable per page will be ranging between Rs 4 to 7. Since the print volume is very less, the consumable cost do not depend your pockets. Today, everyone wish to have a color printer, but we have to be wise enough to decide whether we are in need of color printers or mono printers. Are we ready to justify to fulfill its basic operational procedures? If your answer is yes, I need a color printer. 1. In case you print photo quality print on a photo paper, then ink-based printers are the best choice. In case of choosing inkjet printers, your cost per page would be extremely higher. 2. In case of you choosing ink tank printers, you should ensure to use the same on daily basis, otherwise you will end up with a big service cost. 3. If you could afford to pay a higher capital cost on a highly reliable and a long-term durable printer for general purpose color printing or to print any presentation materials, then you may choose color laser printers, but color laser printers are not suitable for high-resolution photo prints. If you feel that the color prints are not often demanding for you, then you may choose with mono printer. Mono is otherwise called as black and white printer, wherein on a white base paper the blank toner fuse the content. Generally, laser printers are best choice for most of the applications for domestic and businesses. Laser printers are very reliable and user-friendly printers. The cartridge offers thousands of prints, hence docent need to get replaced every now and then. The laser prints can last very longer, hence it is wise to print all important business letters and legal documents with laser printer. If in case you print around 1 to 25 pages per month, DuskJet printers would be more suitable for these applications. Because the consumable called inkjet cartridges do last for 150 to 400 pages based on the models, so replacing once or twice a year will not cost your fortune. Moreover, additional features like print, scan, copy and color printing at low capital cost is possible. Use only OEM cartridge for this particular printers alone, because cartridge refilling or compatible consumables doesn't work well on DuskJet printers. If in case you print more than 30 pages per month, in this scenario you have two choices. First one is laser printer for general use with excessive reliability, and the second one could be ink tank printer, if in case for photo quality prints in color. Do I need a multifunction printers? Apart from printing, do I scan and make copies with the same printer? If my answer is yes, I do, please choose for multifunction printers, which come with print, scan and copy option. Along with these, the new age printers are also available with duplex, wireless printing and auto doffer arrangements. Both laser and ink-based printers are available with these multifunction options. If my answer is no, I don't, just proceed with a single function printer which has print only option. It would be economical and less complicated. How important is the printed documents to me or to my client? Yes, it's important. This will help you to decide between laser printer and inkjet printers. Laser prints are generally last for ages under proper storage, whereas the inkjet prints are not reliable when it is being exposed to moisture or any liquid spill over. If it's not so very important, you are free to choose whichever printer you like, as long as the first three criteria are met. Let's summarize the contents of this video. In case of low usage, you get two choices. One is buying inkjet printer or otherwise called as DuskJet printers. Second one is buying entry-level laser printers if you wish to use for a long period of time. In case of high usage and mono option, the best choice to go with laser printers. Laser printers offer value for money and can last for a longer time. Periodical maintenance is minimal and affordable. In case of high usage and color option, the economical choice to go with ink tank printers. The operational consumable cost with ink tank printers are very economical. but life cycle of the products depends on the product you select. Should in case you could afford, for higher capital cost printers, choices are also available with color laser printers. In case of photo printer option, the only option is to go with inkjet or ink tank printers. New age ink tank photo printer delivers excellent images. In case of printer that has to print with a carbon sheet stationery, the one and only option is dot matrix printer. It is available with 9 and 24 pin options. 24 pin printers delivers an excellent clarity and sharp prints, while 9 pin printers can deliver an acceptable and readable quality prints. Thank you very much for your valuable time, and hope this video would help you to choose a right printer for now and future. It's S. Mahesh Kumar, representing Levera Print Solutions, a business organization in the field of printer and printer consumables. For more information or recommendations, please call 8220020234.